Hi, my name is Karen Uthoff, and I'm going to explain step by step how I did this beautiful design for the Makeup Forever Academy 30th anniversary contest. Hope you like it. With the skin previously cleaned and prepped, I marked with white eyeliner the contour of the mask. In the eye area, I applied base and sparkly set powder. I applied white eyeshadow on the upper lid and then contoured it with black eyeshadow. Use the same technique in the lower lid and marked with black a line where the lower lid ends. Then, with black eyeliner, I marked the upper lash line. I applied concealer on the eyebrows to camouflage them with skin. I applied 3 pairs of lashes, pink feather ones where the upper lid ends, long black ones on the upper lash line, and small ones on the line I previously drew before on the lower lid. I applied mascara to blend real lashes with fake ones. Then, I drew the contour of the mask with a flat brush and pink eyeshadow. Then, I painted face, neck and shoulder area with white airbrush paint. Once that was done, I painted small random sections with yellow, pink and blue airbrush paint. I used green eyeshadow to blend in airbrush colors. For the lips, I first marked them with pink eyeshadow and then filled them with pink lip pencil. I applied different gemstones near the outer corner of both eyes. With a liner brush and wet black eyeshadow, I did a fine line of dots in the lower inner end of the mask. Finally, I used a piece of lace to airbrush with black paint small flowers in the shoulders, neck and forehead. That's it from me. Hope you enjoyed the process as much as I did. See you!